In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add glow on face in Photopea. We'll keep it simple and natural looking using the dodge tool to gently brighten the highlights on the face without washing out skin tones. First, open Photopea in your browser. When the editor loads, choose Open from Computer and select the portrait you want to edit. High-resolution images work best, but any clear photo will do. With your image open, look at the toolbar on the left and select the dodge tool. If you don't see it right away, it may be nested with other tools like burn or sponge. Just click and hold to reveal it. The dodge tool brightens pixels you paint over, which makes it perfect for adding a soft glow. At the top options bar, set the range to midtones. This targets the middle brightness values in skin, which helps you brighten naturally without blowing out highlights or muddying shadows. Next, click exposure and set it to around 10%. A low exposure gives you subtle, buildable results, so you can make multiple light passes instead of risking a harsh change in a single stroke. Before you start brushing, make sure the background layer is selected in the Layers panel on the right. That's the image you're editing. If you prefer a softer finish, choose a soft round brush with low hardness and a medium size that fits the features you're working on. You can adjust brush size as you go to match different areas of the face. Now paint gently on the natural highlight areas. Along the forehead, the tops of the cheekbones, the bridge of the nose, the cupid's bow, and a touch on the chin. Use short, light strokes and build up slowly. Avoid deep shadows and textured areas like pores or fine lines, since brightening those can look unnatural. If something looks too bright, undo and paint with a lighter touch. You can also reduce the effect by painting less over edges and focusing on smooth transitions. Zoom in for precision when you're working near the eyes and nose, then zoom back out to judge the overall balance. The goal is a fresh, healthy glow that enhances the existing light, not a shiny or flat result. When you're done, look at the full image to see the result. You should notice a subtle lift in dimension where the light naturally hits the face. If you want a little more glow, add one or two more gentle passes with the same settings. That's it. You've added a realistic facial glow in Photopea using the dodge tool, midtones range, and a low exposure for complete control and a polished finish.